Actually, I got distracted a few times, but then I would used to remember if I get selected in IIT with a good rank, I will have a great life in IIT and even after that. I am Parth Rathi. I am from Solapur and I currently studying class 12 and I am preparing for JEE. I gave ANTHE exam when I was in standard 9. I got to know about ANTHE from my school and thereafter I got to know about Akash. Actually, I joined Akash in standard 10. That was the time of COVID-19 lockdown. I had joined Akash to learn something new, and as I was interested in mathematics, I preferred doing something related to mathematics. Basically, I love mathematics and that's why I chose JEE. When I joined Akash, I got guidance of my teachers. My teachers told me what to do and what not. They taught me very well. When they taught me, after that I would used to go at home, revise all the things that they taught me. After that, I solved all the material that was given by Akash. Thereafter, if I got some extra time, my teachers gave me some reference book. I used to solve that reference book and that really worked. In JEE preparation, I think everybody will go through a low phase. I also went through a low phase where I didn't score good marks. I even scored poor in Olympiad examination. But then I decided to back myself and stick on my method, and then I worked hard, and then God also supported me. My teachers helped me a lot in every aspect. Whenever they taught me, they taught really well. I used to understand everything that what my teachers taught. After that, even if I didn't understand even a single concept, they used to explain me again. They cleared all my doubts. At times I used to ask a lot of doubts to my teachers, but they cleared each and every doubt, and that really helped me. My teachers guided me really well and I am here because of them. Yeah, sure, the last month is quite crucial and it can make a massive difference if we use it properly. I decided to give practice tests, analyze the weak topics and work hard on it. And after working hard on that topic, I again gave the practice test till I scored well. My parents have made uncountable sacrifices for me. The things they have done for me can't be described in words. They have really helped me in each and every part of my life, not only in JEE, of my life. Whenever I used to feel lonely, I would used to talk to them. They would motivate me at each and every step while my JEE preparation. Without my parents, I couldn't have done this. Actually, I got distracted a few times, but then I would used to remember if I get selected in IIT with a good rank, I will have a great life in IIT and even after that. And that always used to motivate me and I overcame my distractions. I think discipline is very important while preparing for examinations like JEE. To remain in discipline, I used to follow a routine and stick to it, and that would used to help me in remaining in discipline. By following a proper routine and staying disciplined, used to save a lot of time that I would waste if I would have not followed a proper disciplined routine. I feel along with studies, leisure and relaxation is also quite important because that helps us to refresh our brains. And for relaxation, I would used to play outdoor games, meditate or listen to songs, and that would really help me out. My friends really helped me by motivating me whenever I used to get distracted. They didn't allow me to get distracted easily. Most of the time I would used to do self-study and little bit of time I used to discuss a few questions with my friends. When I was in 11th, I missed a few topics when they were taught in the class. That's why they remained weak till a lot of time, till our revision program. While in revision program, I studied that topic really well and removed it from that section of weak topics. Yeah, Akash study material modules were really good. The Success Magnet, Success Achiever and the material we got in Spotlight, that is really good. And along with that, our teachers used to give us some assignments and some questions from other reference books and that I would use to do. The final test series helped me in deciding a strategy that I could use in my JEE mains examination. It helped me in analyzing my mistakes and the best way that I can give my examination. I learned a lot from my mistakes that I made in FTS and tried to improve them, and that helped me. Yeah, my experience at Akash is really good, and since I joined Akash, I changed a lot. Initially, I was a bit careless, I can say. Now I'm overall a better person. I would say them that follow your teachers, solve the targets that Akash gives you, and be consistent in doing that, and that will really help you.